The way industries operate is changing fast. Supply chains now anticipate problems before they happen. Security is shifting from reactive response to real-time awareness. AI is propelling this evolution, moving from experimentation and into daily operations. And new technologies, quantum included, are shifting to focus from cutting costs and driving efficiency to true value creation. The connected economy, a new era for cross-industry innovation. Data is now the connective tissue, linking operations, partners, and decisions in real time. As organizations move from siloed processes to connected ecosystems, organizations are moving beyond digitizing manual processes to rethinking how work is performed in this new AI-native economy. The defining advantage in the AI era is the human edge. How an organization's talent will be the driving force to enable AI to deliver value through orchestration, judgment, ethics, and empathy. Within this fundamental shift, geopolitical uncertainty, regulatory pressure, and cyber risk are redefining resilience, not just as protection, but as a source of competitive advantage.
We're seeing a shift in what it means to lead. For years, executives focused on strategy, outcome, and client conversations and saw technology as a pure enabler. AI is changing that. You can't lead from a distance anymore. Leaders are leaning in. They're asking deeper questions and they're getting more hands-on, learning how the new models actually work. The organizations that are pulling ahead are not just adopting AI, they are re-engineering their entire enterprise, so people, processes, data, and tools. Technical curiosity is becoming a defining leadership skill.
Supply chains were once linear, supplier to manufacturer to customer. Today, they are interconnected, trust-based ecosystems, multi-tier visibility, shared intelligence, better partner coordination, and cross-functional decision-making. Organizations are rethinking how they share the right data with the right partners under the right conditions. A manufacturer shares shipment status with logistics partners, but not pricing. A retailer shares demand signals, but protects customer integrity. Federated architectures, permissioned access, common governance. Data sovereignty is becoming a design fundamental, not a compliance checkbox. Trust becomes infrastructure.
Every sector is discovering the same truth. AI only performs as well as the data beneath it. Trusted data foundations are now essential, whether you're running supply chain, critical infrastructure, or public service. When you get the data right, everything else accelerates. The visibility, the collaboration, the speed of decisions. That's the shift we're seeing across all industries.
As systems become more connected, cybersecurity is evolving alongside them. Protection is built into systems, not bolted on, securing data, improving visibility, and managing risk across increasingly complex environments. AI-assisted detection is now a core capability. Security teams are using it to identify anomalies earlier, correlate signals across environments, and respond faster and more precisely. As connections expand, so does the need for security that thinks ahead, not just reacts.
The exponential growth and adoption of Gen AI makes it difficult to envision how it will change organizations long term. But one thing we know for a fact, and don't need to speculate about, is that it will fundamentally change how we embed cybersecurity in all aspects of everything we do. It's about protecting your business, not just about protecting your systems. Ultimately, cybersecurity is a boardroom topic, where the chief security officer should have a seat at the table.
A decade from now, the boundaries between government and commercial services will blur. AI will become the primary interface, routing requests, matching needs to capabilities, and reducing complexity behind the scenes. Services will shift from application-based to outcome-based. People will describe what they need, and systems will orchestrate the right resources and pathways to deliver it. Governance will be built into digital workflows, enabling organizations to reinvest in better services and outcomes. Decision-making will happen faster and closer to where it's needed. The organizations that thrive will design for interoperability from the start.
The new technology allows us to cut redundancies and use data to anticipate need. The efficiency gains can be reinvested into personal services, so more teachers, more caretakers, and less guesswork. This is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to reimagine and re-engineer the complexity of our communities from the ground up, to focus on services rather than heavy bureaucracy.
Quantum technologies are transforming research and development, accelerating innovation, reshaping cybersecurity, and expanding the boundaries of computation. By processing massive and complex data sets at unprecedented speed, quantum algorithms will recognize patterns and relationships that today's systems struggle to detect. The common thread? Quantum's ability to optimize, simulate, and analyze at unprecedented scale will drive a new wave of innovation across industries. The organizations assessing opportunities, piloting solutions, and managing risks will be the ones leading the quantum economy.
Over the next decade, quantum computing could turn today's impossible business problems into tomorrow's competitive edge. But the real power of quantum computing is not speed alone. It's the ability to unlock business answers that are out of reach today. The leaders will be those who are both agile and dare to take risks. There is no getting behind, because you will be left behind.
The connected economy is being built now. Resilient, intelligent, shared. The opportunity is clear to shape industries built for tomorrow, where AI reshapes how organizations operate. Data moves with intent, security keeps pace with complexity, and quantum computing opens new frontiers. Together, we are building what's next, strengthening resilience and unlocking value across industries.